Hello, so this is how you use your Lumabooth. Okay, go ahead. So basically, this is going to be the first feature that you guys see. So once you do an event, so just go ahead and create a new event right here, and this, for example, Enzo birthday. Yeah, so let's do a customize, and basically you can do a picture or anything that you want, like the background. You can actually select it. For example, this, you wanted that. So you can actually basically do a theme, whatever the wedding or the birthday party. You can actually do it on Photoshop and upload it in your iPad, and then upload it here using the select button right here. So, and then you can actually also do font style for here, the theme. You can actually there's a preset theme here that you want to do use. So let's also do the print layout. So basically this is going to be the layout, but what we recommend is use a portrait mode. So what we do is like we select just one, and you select the photo booth from booth, which is the you can add more photo, but you don't really need it. We recommend just one, so let's just delete that. And you can actually do text, guest data, or image roll. Image roll is basically it's going to be like your layout. For example, let me see if I have it here. I don't have it here actually. It's going to be a layout. If you want to do layout for your event, you can do that too. And so this is going to be the capture mode. So you can have the photo, GIF, boomerang, or video. That's your option. And let's do the capture photo. So these are the settings that you have. So you can do like photo 5 seconds. Before the photos, 5 seconds. You can do whatever you want. And this is going to be the overlay image for the GIF. And you can basically do the settings right here, and the boomerang. You can add the overlay, and the video you can add a before and recording video. It depends on your event if you want to add a video. But if you're just gonna do like photo, just go ahead and do the photo right here. And green screen. So basically, if you're gonna have a green screen, so you can just turn this on. But for now, you don't really need it, so just turn it off right here. And effects, there's gonna be effects, there's gonna be original, there's gonna be a Hefe, that's what they call. There's an X Pro. It depends on your taste, you know. Black and white is pretty cool, like that. And you can do also custom filters if you want, like Kardashian filters, but this one is already like a Kardashian filter, mirror style of photo. So, and you can test take a test photo if you want to, and you want to add like next stickers. This is going to be like a props, digital props. You can select, but for us, we don't really need it. If you do that, you can basically use this. And let's go for the camera settings. The camera settings, which is like, it's gonna be automatic. I put it automatic, but if you do, you can just turn it on, and you can do like temperature, shutter speed, like this, like that. But I usually just turn it automatic. And make sure to switch your cameras, because if you're going to use the camera in the back, of course you have to use the front camera. So in the printer setup, If you're not going to use printer, you just ignore this. But if you're just gonna put it in a restaurant or something, then you don't really need to do anything here. And this is the most important part. Regarding your emails, you have to customize this part right here. Put your email, put your subject, and this is, you have to customize your email right here, the body. Especially if you're going to do marketing stuff, so you have to do customize this part, and this one too for the SMS. Usually Instagram, I turn this off. I would like to do email or SMS so that I can get their email and their number for marketing purposes. So sharing settings, so that's going to be the QR code. If we want to, people just take a picture of the QR code. Then airdrop, you don't really need that. Twitter, you don't really need that. Virtual attendant, virtual attendants, basically they're just gonna say anything like get ready, smile, something like that. It's gonna be in the sound. So yeah, you can do that too. Survey, if you have like survey on your event, if you want to do survey, then you can turn this on. And for me, we don't really use that. And disclaimer, this is important too. If you're gonna do like events for celebrities or influencers or anything like a restaurant, I would recommend to use this disclaimer just to be safe on your side, so you can share your photo, their photo on your social media and everything like that. So yeah, let's launch an event. So this is gonna be like the actual thing. So let's do, for example, like let's turn this on.
Ready.
Right here. There you go. So that's gonna be one photo because you already
Share
set
your
it for
photos.
one photo. So you hear that sound too. That's the virtual attendant. And you can also text it. You can scan it with your phone, so they don't need to, type in your number. But for me, I would go with the phone number and the email. That's the important part, because you want to get their information for your marketing purposes. And you can just take out the print too.
Thank you.
And that's it. That's it for the Lumabooth. If you have any questions, please contact us. And we have some videos on YouTube too. Thank you so much. Have a good day.